How's it going, everyone? I'm Jason for WTI. If you have a pool, you know you spend quite a bit of money on chemicals keeping it clean. Well, I just found out that you can actually reduce the amount of money you spend by using a solar-powered pool ionizer. This one is from RiverPure. Let me show you how it works and why I like it so much. The RiverPure ionizer uses the power of the sun to charge its internal batteries. It puts out a low-level current through the copper anode that releases copper and silver into the water, preventing the growth of algae. Now, prior to this, I was just using chlorine tablets and I struggled to keep algae out of my pool. All right, so a big change definitely from that nasty green pool this was a few weeks ago. So after I got the pool cleaned up, I went ahead and got this going. The ionizer has been working phenomenally. Prior, when I had that nasty green pool, the tablet floater typically had 2 to 3 tablets floating in it. But now I'm down to just one on the smallest setting, and that's just enough that I need to keep the pool maintained now that the ionizer is working. The solar pool ionizer is a very simple and easy to use product. The manufacturer suggests some maintenance that needs to be done occasionally, and they provide a little scrub brush to do just that. That'll keep your anode in optimum working order. It's also a larger capacity anode that will last a long time. Well, alrighty, there you have it. If you're looking to save money on your pool chemical usage this year, I would highly recommend getting one of these solar ionizers for your pool by RiverPure. It's definitely reduced the amount of chlorine that I'm using in my pool, plus it's preventing algae from growing on the bottom. I really like it. I know you're going to like it too. That's my point of view.